Michelle here with Redeem Furnishings, and I'm going to show you how to use Dixie Belle Gilding Wax, and it's so incredibly easy. Here is a mirror that I was working on for a specific room in my house. I painted the room in this exact color, so when I put the mirror against it, I knew that I needed a little something extra. So here is my gilding wax. I decided to use antique gold. There's several gilding waxes, lots of different colors, including chameleon waxes, which are more opaque, but this is what I'm using right now. So I felt like it went best with this color. All you do is dip your brush in it and then brush it on. Sometimes I even use my finger. Sometimes I like doing it that way, but today I decided to use a brush. So I am just getting the tiniest amount of my brush. I don't press too hard into the can. One can lasts forever because you're not using a lot, really. And you just put it on. It is oil-based, so you do not have to clear coat afterwards. And if you keep a baby wipe around and you get it in a spot where you don't want it, you can easily wipe it back off with that baby wipe, which is really nice. If you don't, you may have to leave it for it, because once it is cured, it's going to stick around. So yeah, always keep a little baby wipe close by, which I didn't do here. But I think it all turned out fine, and I absolutely love it. Here I am, just getting the tiniest amount. The can does say to stir it up really good. Honestly, I never do. Never, ever, ever. And I've never had problems. I've been using this for years now. I actually am a Dixie Belle retailer. I love this stuff. It's so much easier than gold leaf. Follow along. I'm always doing a ton of projects. I paint something almost every day. Not a whole piece.